ERC, quality service since 1972. Repairing TVs, console stereos, electronic musical instruments, pinball machines, arcade games, and more. Call 836-0454.
You've clicked on the Weather Xtreme video from ABC 3340. I'm meteorologist Brian Peters coming to you from my car in Cheehaw. And let's take a look at some Skycam images. What a beautiful day it is today compared to what we had yesterday. Certainly a beautiful sunrise this morning, and certainly a beautiful view of the Edmund Pettus Bridge down at Selma. The weather system that brought so much havoc to Alabama, Georgia, and South Carolina yesterday is now off of Cape Hatteras and moving away from land, and high pressure is settling in over the eastern half of the country. With the surface high pressure, we have a nice ridge aloft, but notice that out there over Southern California, we have our next weather system that will be coming our way on Tuesday late and then again or into Wednesday. Surface map this morning, we have a nice north to northeast flow with temperatures generally in the 40s. I'm sure that we have a few of those cooler spots that have reached the upper 30s. I know at Mount Cheehaw, I had 40 degrees here. QPF-wise, looks like a half to 1 inch possible in the time frame Tuesday night into Wednesday morning. And certainly we can continue to use that. Storm Prediction Center is out looking for day 3, which is Tuesday into Wednesday morning, a large area for a slight risk of severe, stretching from East Texas all the way over to the western 2/3 of the state of Alabama, including much of the mid-south area of Memphis. And then on day 4, that area shifts off to the east as well. So certainly that's the next weather system we'll be watching. Now, here's the 06Z GFS model run. This is the 500 millibar map for tomorrow, Monday, and the ridge firmly over us, so good weather. And the ridge is beginning to inch to the east on Tuesday as that trough and that closed low over West Texas come our way. That will be producing a surface low in the vicinity of East Texas that will be advancing northeastward across the area. The trough or the closed low opens up and becomes an open trough as it ejects to the northeast on Wednesday, and that should take the surface low up toward the eastern Great Lakes and towards New England and drag a cold front through here. Now, how much severe weather we have is going to depend once again on just how much air mass destabilization we can get. And the GFS is hinting at, and I hate to jump on this after just one model run here, but is hinting at the possibility of maybe a little bit slower with that cold front. So we'll certainly be watching the timing for that. Once again, surface high pressure settles into the area on Thursday, and that is the way it stays for Friday with another nice day. At 500 millibars on Saturday, we see a short wave coming across the basically zonal flow. And with that short wave, we have another surface low forming in the lee of the Rockies, and that will be bringing some weather our way. The short wave seems to intensify a little bit and almost is looking, not quite, but almost has the negative tilt to it. And with that, a surface low is positioned over the Ohio River Valley with a cold front stretching down through Alabama. So if there's one thing that I'm pretty confident of, the weather pattern stays very active. Now let's go out into Voodoo Land, and just about every 3rd to 4th day, here is the 26th of March and another wet weather system, and then here is the 30th of March and another wet weather system. So that is one of the things the Voodoo Land area is promising, is that we will continue to have active weather. Well, certainly appreciate you tuning in. Enjoyed my day yesterday addressing the Alabama Hiking Trail Society group up at Mount Cheehaw, and looking forward to get back home on Monday. Hope that you have a great end of the weekend and a great upcoming week. James Spann will be back with the next Weather Xtreme video bright and early Monday morning. Have a great upcoming week, and God bless.